Let's face it, all of us have too much to do and too little time to do it in. In addition, we are up against weapons of mass distraction and information overload. Often we're left with a feeling of being overwhelmed, stressed out, and out of control. But you can have your act together, stay on top of things, and experience peace of mind. It's been said, average people wing it, successful people have a plan, and exceptional people have a system. In the Peak Productivity MasterClass, I will teach you a simple, easy to use, and very effective personal productivity system. I have used this system for well over 20 years. The system is flexible, not rigid. You can use this system no matter your personality type, season in life, or occupation. You can use this system in both your personal and professional life. When you apply the principles and practices of this personal productivity system, you will experience both personal effectiveness and personal fulfillment. Here is a brief summary of what is covered in the Peak Productivity Masterclass. I will show you how to capture all your tasks, commitments, and responsibilities in one central location, not some in your head, some on Post-it notes, and some in a notebook somewhere. I will guide you through the process so that you become crystal clear on your highest priorities. That is really the key to effectiveness, working on tasks that will have the most impact, biggest return on investment, and that will move your career and life forward. We will look at the importance of weekly planning so that you can stay ahead of things and not do stuff at the last minute. I will walk you through the specifics of planning your day through my Win the Day action plan. And because this course is practical and realistic, I will show you how to effectively handle interruptions. I'll guide you through a process to help you determine when you are interrupted, if you should turn your attention to the incoming task or defer it till later. One of the hardest parts of personal effectiveness is getting the person in our mirror to behave. Even when you are clear on your highest priorities, it's easy to drift into trivia or do routine tasks rather than your most important work. I will provide you with several practical strategies to help you overcome procrastination and actually execute on your highest priorities. There are also lessons on managing email, delegation, how to break down complex projects into doable tasks, and I'll give you simple ways to leverage technology to make your life easier. At the conclusion of the course, I will focus on what I call the discipline of replenishment. Life is meant to be enjoyed, not endured. And if you're not enjoying life, others won't enjoy you. And if you aren't continually replenishing yourself, you'll become drained and burnt out, and you'll be unable to give your best to others. The Peak Productivity Masterclass comes with 2 free preview lessons so you can experience the quality, clarity, and practical application of the content. Many people have said this course was a game changer for them. This course is about so much more than time management. It's about personal effectiveness. I want to help you experience peace of mind and a feeling of being in control. I want to help you live a life of flourishing. Personal fulfillment comes when we're clear on our priorities and we live in alignment with our priorities. I want to encourage you to invest in the Peak Productivity Masterclass. It will go a long way in helping you focus on the important, manage the necessary, and enjoy life along the way.